Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to look at the gallery module and we're going to make this little gallery slider right here. Really simple to do with the Divi theme. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder. Once loaded, I'm going to go down to where I want to work, which is right here. And I'm just going to get rid of this module and we'll start from scratch. Let's add a new row. I'm going to put a single column in there. Divi comes as standard with all these modules, and the one we want today is the gallery module. There we go. And by default it's going to put in a few images for you and some pagination if you've got a lot of images. But I want to choose my own, so I'm going to go ahead and add gallery images. That should do it. Great, and I don't want mine in a grid like it's got here. I want mine to be in a carousel, or it's a slider basically. So if we go to design, we can go to layout, and I want mine to be a slider. And there we go. As you can see, it's turned it into a slider. Now I want mine to go automatically. You can see the pagination there. It's not very bright. So if I go down to text, I can change the text from dark to light. That makes the pagination there a little bit brighter. And also, I don't want it to be quite as big as this. So I'm going to go to my sizing. I'm going to pull it down. Something like that. But I do want it to be in the center. So I'm going to centralize it by clicking on there. And I want my slides to roll automatically. So let's roll on down. Animation, turn automatic animation on. I want it to slide every 4 seconds, so that's 4,000 milliseconds right there. And there we have it. There's our little gallery slider. Really easy to do, and we centralized it. Let's save our changes. Save the draft or publish the page. Exit the Visual Builder. And there's our little slider. Every 4 seconds it's going to slide to the next slide. And we've got pagination dots there, and we've got our little arrows here when you hover over it. So that's how easy it is with a little Divi gallery module. You can make a great little slider in no time at all. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.